Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today is going to be a new era. What I'm going to be doing from now on is I'm going to be asking traders on any of my social platforms. I'm going to ask them, what would you like to know about Forex? And they can ask me a question and I'm going to make a quick 5 to 10 minute video explaining an answer on the question they actually asked. So if you'd like to get into my VIP service or anything like that in order for me to be able to answer these questions all the time, or you'd like to get any type of trade signals and trades I take and stuff like that, make sure you click the information down below and hit me up. Everything is nice and affordable and you're going to love the stuff I have to offer. With all of that being said, let's get straight into the video.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.
Okay, so as you can see here, there is the trader in my Discord group, which is the general hangout area. You can join this up. The links are in the description below. And all you have to do is literally sign up to there and you can get into my Discord and you can ask me questions about any of my YouTube videos and strategies that I do have. And I'll be able to explain them to you. And you can see this trader did ask if you could give one advice to your younger self as a beginner trader, what will that advice be? Now, what I have come to the conclusion of is the word patience. Now, patience is a massive thing when it comes to Forex. Let's head over to the charts and I can show you exactly what I mean about this. Okay, so I'm on GBP/JPY at the moment. I am on the 1 hour time frame. I'm using TradingView. If you'd like to get some coins on TradingView as well, so you can get a discount on your TradingView monthly payment, then you can also check out my referral link in the description below. I do have a week separator on, which shows me every week to week in the market. The only reason why I'm showing you this is so you can understand that when it comes to patience in the market, there is usually only 1 to 2, maybe 3 good setups on any pair at any given time in the market during that week. And as you can see here, if you just patiently wait for price action to get to any one of the key levels, you can draw out on this week here on GBP/JPY. In order for me to catch a nice trade here, I'm not saying this sell that came down here. Look at what happened when price came to this daily support level. So we saw price come to this daily support level and we saw that price actually started to form a W pattern when it got to this point right over here. So we can see it came down from here, it hit this level once, hit this level twice, and then decided to buy all the way up. So our entry would have been over here for the second leg of the W and the continuation of that trade for the buy. We can see the same type of pattern occurs here, but this time it's an M. We can see price action came all the way from down here, came up to this major level, which would have been a daily resistance level, but now in the future price is above this level, so it's a support, but it would have been a daily resistance level. You can see here that price hit this level once, came down, hit this level again for a double top, and then sold in the week. This is what I'm talking about. You can even set alerts on these levels by just right clicking on them, go into add alert, and then you can just set it up. Just make sure you go to once per bar close, and you can see straight away you can have a notification on your application for TradingView. The pop-up can show on the screen on TradingView if you're on your computer. You can even send yourself an email if you want to. You can leave a nice message there and you just got to go to create. And that's how simple it can be for a trader when it comes to, just being patient in the market and taking trade setups. I hope this one did answer your question. So let's The next question that was asked is, how many times do you trade if your trade setup keeps failing? So let me give you an explanation on that. So right now we're going to go to our compound growth chart. If you do need this chart, you can just go into my Discord under education right over here. And when you go into here, you can see right there, here it is. You can just download this and that will get you this compound growth sheet. Now, why I'm using the explanation of a 5K balance here. So imagine we went to go get ourselves a My Forex Funds 5K account for $49, very good price. And we wanted to, try and pass this account. So what we're going to be doing is trading at 1% growth. And of course, they give you 30 days in order for you to be able to pass this account. And you have a daily starting drawdown limit of 250. So in one day, you can't go below 250 and your overall drawdown is going to be 600. So you can't go below 600 on that account, and your target is 8%. So if you're trying to make 8%, let's just go over to our calculator. you have now got 8% of 5,000, which is $400. You need to make this target right over here. Now we can see if you do hit 8 winning trades, you actually manage to, pass that phase 1 of that account, which is absolutely epic and perfect. But let's go into what happens if you're actually losing trades as well. We just changed this to 0.50, and I'm doing this so you can just understand how much you would be losing instead of, gaining. So now imagine if we turn this profit goal into, the losses that we're actually taking in a day. Even though they say it's 30 days on my Forex Funds account, realistically, if you trade Forex pairs, it's going to be about 20 days because Forex does not open during the weekend. Cryptos and markets like that are open, but Forex pairs are not. So really it's 20 days. And we can see here within 20 days, you would have technically got that account down to $4,524. Now, I'm just getting rid of the 5 here because, of course, all of these would have, let's just say, quote unquote, would have been losing trades. And that would have put you in a position where you still would not have blown this account, because you can see here that you can have an overall loss of $600 on the account. So really that account can go down to 4,400. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because you can see that if you was to lose every single trade for 20 days, if you took, let's say, 1 trade a day, you're still not going to blow the daily limit on that account, and you're still not going to blow the overall drawdown on that account. Yes, you will be negative, but you did respect risk parameters. Now, if we put this back to 1% growth, of course, like I said before, all it's going to do is take you 8 trades in order for you to hit your target. So of course, as you're winning and losing trades during the 20 days, you just need to make sure if you're winning 8 setups that look something like this for yourself, or however you decide to trade, yourself, you're going to be in a position where eventually you are going to find 8 setups between any of the pairs that you trade. Remember, you don't have to trade one pair. You could, split your risk into 0.50% between GJGU. You could decide to split your risk between 3 pairs, 4 pairs, whatever you want to do. But as long as you're not losing half of this in a day, which is, $25 or whatever the amount is in the day you need to make, at least half of that, as long as you're not losing more than half of that in a day, doesn't matter how many entries you take on pairs, then you should be okay. And eventually you will go on to pass this prop firm account. So I hope that answers your question in terms of, what do you do if you keep failing when it comes to your trade setup? The whole aim is for you to have good risk management, and then eventually it will push through and you will be able to see the results you are looking for, as long as you do not go over the amount you are able to lose within 1 trade day or 1 trade week, etc. And with all that being said, if you would like to get yourself any of these questions asked, please just head over into the description link below and you can get into my Discord. You can ask me questions there. You can ask me questions on YouTube if you'd like as well. When I see it, I'll be able to just make a video on it and hopefully give you an explanation on how I can help you. And you can also head over into my Instagram as well, and make sure you give me a follow here. You can listen to some of my music here, and I'm going to start answering questions here, probably even giving trade signals out on my Instagram as well. So just give me a follow on my Instagram at BigJohn_BK, and you can just ask me any of the questions here in my direct message and I will answer them as soon as I get a chance to. So with all that being said, guys and girls, I hope you like this new series. I hope it's going to be helpful for traders as well. And I hope it's short, sweet and quick and straight to the point and can get you what you need in order for you to become consistently profitable. With all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy, Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.